Hello everyone, Radhe Radhe, Jai Radha Vallabh, Jai Mahakal. There are some zodiac signs whose mental level is extremely deep, analytical, and mysterious. These people are complex both emotionally and intellectually. Their depth of thinking and unique perspective make them different from others. Let's know from the Vedic which zodiac sign with the most complex mind. Let's start with Virgo sign. Uh, Virgo. People born under the Virgo sign are highly analytical and logical. They try to understand every little thing minutely and react only after truly evaluating any situation. Their desire for perfection and self-critical nature make them mentally complex. These people who look calm from the outside or are always thinking from the inside. What is right? What could have been better? This constant thinking makes them a person with a deep and complex mindset. Scorpio. People born under the Scorpio sign are emotionally excessive and mentally mysterious, adventurous. These people keep many layers hidden within themselves, which no one can understand easily. The feeling and thoughts going on in their mind are often not not expressed outwardly, but a deep struggle and analysis continue within. Scorpio take time to trust and don't reveal themselves until they are completely convinced. This is what makes them the most complex and mysterious. Capricorn. Capricorn human beings are extraordinarily sensible, disciplined, honest, loyal, and lengthy time period, ambitious, adventurous, mysterious, and lengthy time period thinker. Their mental complexity is hidden in their strategic and goal oriented nature. They believe in logic more than emotion and keep their inner things hidden. For them, achievement are more important than emotion, due to which they may have appear cold and distant to others. What a strong process of thinking analysis continue deep within. Aquarius native beings are taking into the consideration to be the maximum specific and mentally unbiased. Their thinking is outside the traditional boundaries, which make them completely different from others. They often think ahead of society but are a little complex in emotional attachment. Their rational approach and emotional distance make them mysterious. Aquarians are very intelligent, but their thinking is difficult to understand. This is what gives them mental depth and complexity. Pisces are extremely sensitive, artistic, and imaginative. Their mind continually oscillate between fact and fantasy. They go deep into the emotion but are often so lost in their inner world that it becomes difficult to understand them. There is a spiritual and creative dimension to their psychic which makes them mysterious and sometimes even confusing. Pisces are so immersed in their words of feeling, dreams, intuition that their thinking becomes extremely complex and esoteric. Cancer. Cancerian are highly sensitive to their environment and the energy around them, often picking up on subtle cues and vibes. They are domestically oriented, finding comfort and solace in creating cozy, safe spaces that serve as their escape. Cancers deeply care about their families and tend to adopt caregiver roles, nurturing and providing support to their loved one. Known for their loyalty and commitment, Cancerian attract friends and partners through their emotional depth and dedication. While they may avoid direct conflict, Cancer can display passive aggressive behavior when feeling threatened, making open communication challenging but essential for building trust. Libra. Libra are social butterflies who thrive in the company of others. They enjoy being surrounded by friends and family, and they often seek out new social connection represented by the balance scale. Libra have a strong sense of justice and fairness. They believe in treating others with equality and honesty, and they strive to maintain harmony in their relationship. Libra possesses a charming and diplomatic demeanor, making them adept in navigating social situations. They have a natural ability to mediate conflict and find compromise in challenging situations. Libras are intellectually curious individuals who are constantly seeking knowledge and new experience. They have a keen interest in the world around them and are often seen as insightful and engaging conversationalists. Libras are known for their generosity and willingness to help others. They are compassionate and empathetic individuals who enjoy making a positive impact on the lives of those around them. Sagittarius. Sagittarius have zero filters and speak their mind without hesitation. While their honesty can be refreshing, it may come across as tactless or blunt to others. With a strong desire for freedom, Sagittarians are natural, adventurous, and rebels. They thrive on new experience and resist constraints and schedule, making them perfect travel companions but challenging partner in structured environments. Sagittarian default to trust and optimism, often overlooking potential risks or negative outcomes. While their positive outlook outlook is uplifting, it can make them appear naive or oblivious to the darker aspect of reality. Although born and loving, Sagittarius value their independence and march to the beat of their drum. They prefer to follow their plan and may be perceived as unreliable when their priorities don't align with others. Despite their outwardly warm demeanor, Sagittarians are thinkers who prefer intellectual pursuit over emotional expression. They enjoy unraveling complex ideas and theories, often uh, delving into philosophical discussion and debates. Aquarius. Aquarius have strong work ethic and very much devoted to their goals. They are work hard and put all their effort to achieve what they wish for by hook and by crook. Aquarius value honesty and prefer straightforward communication. They are not afraid to address issues directly and appreciate honesty in return. One Aquarius commit to something or someone, they remain loyal and steadfast. They possess a resilient nature and persistently pursue their objective despite obstacles. Aquarius are driven by ambition and have a practical approach to achieving their aspiration. They set realistic goals and work methodically to accomplish them. Aquarius are typically organized individuals who value structure and efficiency. Despite their practicality, they have a sensitive side and deeply care about the well-being of their loved one. Taurus. Taurus individuals excel in entrepreneurial ventures where they can leverage their determination and practicality. Their strong work ethic and perseverance make them well suited for business endeavors. With their artistic flair, analytical thinking, leadership quality, they can find success in creative design, technology, management, and finance related startup. Gemini, Gemini, Gemini individuals are exceptionally communicative, effortlessly expressing their thoughts and ideas with others. They enjoy engaging in conversation and have a natural ability to articulate their thoughts with charm and ease. Geminis are known for their quick and clever sense of humor. They often use their wit to entertain others and lighten the mood in social situations. Their witty remarks and playful banter make them engaging and enjoyable companions. Gemini are constantly seeking to expand their horizon and explore different facets of life, making them lifelong learner and adventure. Gemini have a natural knack of finding humor in everyday situations. They use their funny and light-hearted approach to life to bring joy and laughter to those around them. Gemini are always eager to learn, explore, and connect with others. Their curiosity and impulsiveness can sometimes lead them to come across as nosy or impulsive. Pisces. Pisces are exceptionally compassionate and empathetic, always attuned to the emotion and need of those around them. They possess a natural inclination towards caring for others and offering support in times of need. Highly creative and imaginative, Pisces individuals are often drawn to artistic pursuits such as music, literature, and visual art. They have a vivid imagination and a deep appreciation for beauty and aesthetics. With their emotion running deep, Pisces are profoundly sensitive beings. Their experience feeling intensely and can easily empathize with others, but this sensitive also make them vulnerable to criticism and emotional fluctuation. Pisces have heightened intuition and psychic abilities, often expression, premonition, or intuitive insight. They trust their gut instinct and rely on their inner guidance to navigate life challenges and uncertainties. Known for their selfless nature, Pisces is willing to go to great lengths to help others, sometimes at the expense of their own well-being. They prioritize the happiness and comfort of those they care about, often neglecting their own needs in the process. Taurus. Taurus individuals excel in entrepreneurial ventures where they can leverage their determination and practicality. Their strong work ethic and perseverance make them well suited for business endeavors. With their ethics, fair, analytic thinking, leadership quality, they can find success in creative design, technology, management, finance related startup. Taurus individuals excel in entrepreneurial ventures where they can leverage their determination and practicality. Their strong work ethic and prayer make them well suited a business individual with the artistic flair and analytical thinking, leadership quality. They can find success in creative science, technology, management, and finance related startup. Taurus individual thrives in career that offers stability and security. They excel in roles that allow them to work at their own pace and focus on tasks diligently. Their presence, reliability, and attention to detail and sense of justice bring promising jobs, often in architect, legal profession, education, position in public institution. Taurus individuals are patient and practical with their money. They prioritize quality over quantity and investment wisely for the long term. While they enjoy indulging occasionally, they are careful planner and prefer to keep their financial matter private. Communication and respect for their privacy are key when managing finance with the Taurus. As a Taurus adult, they bring a calming presence to your children and younger lives. They are practical, patient, and always there with a hug or smile. They understand what's important, so don't easily get upset over small things. Rather, they are supportive of their siblings. Taurus people are great at making friends and often become the ones who start conversation and bring people together. Taurus as friend is loyal and always here to help when needed. Sometimes through they find it hard to manage their time between different groups of friends. Taurus tends to have harmonious relationship with their colleagues. They are known for their reliability, loyalty, and practical approach to teamwork in the workplace. They are often friendly and approachable, creating a supportive environment for their co-workers. They value cooperation and collaboration and are excellent team players who can resolve conflict instantly. They ground and steady nature make them good teammates. In the love and marriage, Taurus individuals excel at pampering their partner. They prioritize both emotional and sexual care for their partner, guaranteeing a successful marriage. They create a comfortable and pleasurable atmosphere, making relationship with them a truly enjoyable experience. Taurus individuals can enhance their luck by keeping certain charm with them. Lucky number for Taurus are 1 and 9. Carrying silver objects and accessories with these can bring positive energy. While white and green are the luck color, diamond, coral, and emeralds can also bring good fortune. Start important work on Wednesday and Friday for unstoppable success. Taurus individual can find spiritual solace and guidance by seeking blessing from Ma Durga with Venus as their ruling planet. They can explore how this energy manifests in their relationship, creativity, and sense of duty. They can also gain a deeper understanding of themselves and make informed decisions. Taurus individuals should be mindful of their finance to lead a happy life. They tend to overspend, and keeping a regular check on their account can help them gain control over their finance. Additionally, they should try to save, invest wisely to secure their financial future. To uh, to lead a happy life, Taurus individuals should be mindful of certain behavior and habits to avoid overspending and impulse buying. Be cautious about becoming too possessive and stubborn in relationship. Guard against complaints, complacency and resistance to change, and be mindful of overindulgence in food, drink, material comfort, and excessive consumption can detract from their overall well-being. Radhe Radhe.